Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to activate and log in to your Merrick Bank account. Follow these simple instructions to get started with managing your Merrick Bank account securely and efficiently. Open your web browser and go to the official Merrick Bank website, www.merrickbank.com. Locate the Sign In section. On the Merrick Bank homepage, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the Login page. Enter your account details. On the Login page, you will be prompted to enter your username and password. Make sure that the information entered is accurate to avoid any login issues. Activate your Merrick Bank account. If you are activating a new Merrick Bank account, you will need to enter the activation code provided to you. This can typically be found in the welcome email or the physical card package. If you haven't received an activation code, contact Merrick Bank Customer Service for assistance. Complete security verification. To ensure the security of your account, Merrick Bank may ask you to complete a two-factor authentication (2FA) process. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Access your account. Once logged in and activated, you can access your account dashboard where you can view your balance, make payments, check transaction history, and manage account settings. Troubleshooting. Tips: forgot username or password. Click on the Forgot Username or Password link to reset your login credentials. Account activation issues. Ensure you've received the correct activation code. If you're still having issues, reach out to Merrick Bank Customer Support for help. Contact Merrick Bank Support. If you encounter any difficulties during the activation or login process, Merrick Bank's customer support team is available to assist you. You can contact them through the official website or call their support number. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.